Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about unboxing. I had ordered few products from Myglamm and the package has arrived. So this is how they have the address. Box is actually of Myglamm. It has their logo, there's their tape. So I have actually opened the box just because for sanitizing purpose, and so this is how I had opened it. And this was the bubble wrap in which I had the products. These are the products. So apparently they have this Christmas sale going on, due to which I got good offers. This is the very first product, just sanitizing them. This is the Wonderlust Sand Matte Finish nail polish. It's in the shade 02 Moroccan. I really like their packaging. This was in one of the deals. You have their germ killing hand cream. Again, sanitizing them. Matte liner pencil, and the color is Pretty Mess. Then this is a creamy matte lipstick. So they also have the codes in which you need to scan them, and it says scan me for a tutorial and rewards. This is in the shade Bloody Mary, vermilion sort of color. This is another nail enamel. Code, it says scan this code or download the Myglamm app to authenticate your product and earn rewards. Then I have this blush in the shade Strawberry Blush. It's the K-Play collection by Myglamm. This is how the box opens. It's very beautifully encased in a sponge encasement. That's how the blush looks in the packaging. The shade name is 02 Juicy Strawberry. It's the LIT Myglamm matte eyeliner pencil. Now this is in the shade Wicked. It's a purple color shade, quite smooth and glides on really well. And this lip liner, it was in the shade Pretty Mess. It's a very pinkish nude color pencil. So this is the Molten Matte Metallic Liquid Lipstick, a new addition to their stock. This is in the shade Iris. I really like Myglamm products because some of their products are really multi-used products. Very delicate frost shade. Then I have Myglamm Twisted Volumizing and Curl Mascara. It says Twist It. Love the white and gold packaging. I love their packaging of every product. Quite elegant. There's another nail polish from the Manish Malhotra collection by Myglamm. He also has a very elegant packaging. It's black and golden. The shade name is, I think, Antique. It's a beautiful shade. I will definitely try these shades out and then let you all know. I would request you to go try them. I have tried Myglamm products before as well. I love there are certain products they have which are quite multi-use and actually helps us to simplify our makeup kit. So these are the products I had ordered. I hope you all like this unboxing. I'd love to hear from you all in the comment section below, and thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if you would like to see any particular video. I would love to do it for you all. Have a great day. Bye bye.